Today, Mavis is wondering what she would look like if she had a face like her friend Emily. Mavis has a square face, but Emily has a round face. Mavis is going to pretend that she has a round face too. Now Mavis wonders what she would look like if she was painted the same color as Emily. Mavis is black, but Emily is green. Mavis is going to pretend that she is green too. Now Mavis wonders what it would be like to be a steam engine. Now Mavis has a funnel and steam, just like her friend Emily. Mavis thinks looking like Emily is fun, but she likes being Mavis best.